The Episcopal Media Committee, led by Father Gerald Kongji, has announced key details regarding the upcoming consecration of Father Bernard Lalu as Auxiliary Bishop. Committee members Bidarius Shilla and Dominic Savio Dingdo shared the information during a press briefing at the Shillong Press Club today. According to Shilla, the consecration ceremony is scheduled to begin at 10 a.m. at the Calvary within the cathedral premises. The event will be presided over by the Apostolic Nuncio and representative of Pope Francis, Most Reverend Leopoldo Girelli, and attended by bishops from 15 dioceses across northeast India. A Eucharistic celebration and a brief felicitation program for the newly consecrated bishop will follow at 1:30 p.m. Arrangements have also been made for designated parking areas to accommodate attendees arriving from various parishes and dioceses.
There will be an Episcopal ordination of Reverend Father Bernard Lalu, who has been appointed by the Holy Father on the 8th of February this year. The Father Bernard Lalu has been an inspiring priest. He is actually the current Chancellor of the Archdiocese, as well as the parish priest of Laitumkra Parish, which is the central of the Archdiocese. He has been a good worker. He has been a good priest, and he has finished his BA Honours in Political Science. He's also a Bachelor's of Education, apart from MA in Sociology and postgraduate diploma in counseling. Also, he has a degree, and he is not only a priest, a friend, a man. He's also a writer, a song composer, and he has made two Khasi films, Sanshar Kajat, and the other is Hatu Shenukan Yalam. And he will be ordained as the auxiliary bishop to assist the archbishop in whatever assignment that the archbishop will give to him. And on this day, on the 30th of March 2025, we expect a host of dignitaries will come. The Apostolic Nuncio to India and Nepal, Most Reverend Leopoldo Girelli, will be witnessing the ordination of Bishop Bernard Lalu. Apart from him, all the bishops from the northeastern states, we have 15 of them, they will come. We expect other bishops from the rest of India also will come. Apart from them, we expect a huge turnout of the faithful from the northeast as well as from Meghalaya. And we have arranged specifically the parkings so that the whole city will not be congested. Apart from this will be a smaller program in comparison to the Eucharistic procession, because the road that we will be required to block is only from the entry from Barrack Point to Don Bosco Square and Don Bosco Square to Barrack Point. The rest of the roads will be normal. Thank you. 10 a.m. and we expect to complete the entire process by 3:30, 4 o'clock. Well, the non-religious leaders, we don't know who will come, but definitely the CM and other ministers of the state of Meghalaya will certainly be available. For people coming from Juai and those places from there, they will park their vehicle at Madan Nongkamai, that is that Nepali school, also in St. Thomas School and College campus, Holy Cross Brookdean campus, and one side of the road of the fruit garden leading to Cliff Colony, Don Bosco Technical School, Laitumkra, Don Bosco Mini Stadium, STC campus, St. Mary's campus, St. Margaret's campus, Nirmali Convent campus, Holy Cross Convent, Christ King College, and one side of the road leading to Upper New Colony's parking lot, as well as the Directorate of School Elementary and Literacy, School Education and Literacy. And for vehicles that come from the west, Khasi Hills, and from Ribhoy, they will be parking one side of the road of the All India Radio, and also one side of the road leading to Lower Lashmere. And one side of the road from Lady Hydera Park, which we call now Phanong Lai Park, up to Seven Set School. Then one side of the road of the National Highway at Barrack Point. One side of the road from MBO's office leading to MPS's office. And also the parking, school parking space of Loreto Convent behind the school this side from Christ King College, Hopkinson Road. And of course the bigger place will be Madan Malki. Thank you.